BMW i3 driver. That's very head down, UDF567. She's still in the phone. I can see it, without any doubt. Yes, I can see her phone, she's scrolling on the phone.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Stay away from me.
What is wrong with you?
Back off from me.
What the fuck is wrong
Back
with
off
you?
from me.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I'm not the one doing something illegal.
And what are you doing? Knocking on my door? That's illegal.
It's not.
I know who you are.
Good. Now
Yeah?
you know what's coming.
And you know what I was doing? Checking my sick child, you fuck.
And that's
Yeah?
an excuse?
That's an excuse. That's more important because I'm sitting in traffic.
It's still
Yes?
no excuse.
It
You
is
can tell
excuse.
those stories to the
I was
magistrate.
stationary.
Yeah,
I
so?
was stationary.
Still illegal.
So, what is wrong with you?
What is wrong with
What is
you?
wrong
You're the
with
one
you?
who's choosing to commit a traffic offence.
What is wrong with you? There's something seriously wrong with you. Picking on people.
You're not a
wrong with
victim
you?
here, you're a perpetrator.
Am I?
Yes.
And what have I done? What have I caused? Have I caused any harm to anybody? No. Have I? No.
Look, go in your car and drive off.
No, I'm not driving off because you're a horrible person. Everybody here hates you.
You had the choice.
Who hates this guy? Everybody hates this guy. We know who you are. You're a horrible, horrible man. How dare you?
I couldn't give a damn about your opinion, madam.
And I couldn't give a damn about yours.
Apparently you do, because you're coming to talk to me. Why don't you go in your car and go away,
Because you're
please?
knocking on my car. Why are you knocking on my car?
Because I caught you committing a traffic offence.
What? By being stationary in my car?
Well, go look it up in the highway code. I mean, you're supposed to know that if
My
you have a driving
engine is
license.
off.
And
Yeah?
so? You don't
So,
have an engine,
I'm-
it's an electric car. You have a motor in there.
Okay, whatever. It's off. Okay? I'm off. I'm sitting in traffic.
I'm afraid I also
I'm
videoed you driving
stationary.
forwards, so you're out of luck there.
Really?
Yes.
And look, are you getting a better sleep at night because you're doing
I
this
sleep
to
perfectly
people?
well catching people like you.
And are you on the bike? You drive a bike, right? You ride the bike.
I don't want to talk to you. Go away, please.
You want to talk to me because you came to me. You want to
Sorry.
talk to me because you came to me.
No, I don't want to talk to you. I just wanted to get evidence for the court.
And then what? And then what are you gaining out of it?
More,
What
a
is
little
it?
bit of road safety, some suppression of your misbehaviour on the road.
And what about you? Walking up on the road, yeah,
Yeah.
into the
No,
middle
that's
of the
okay.
road.
Keep your
You
distance
walked
from me.
up
Keep
in
your
the middle
distance
of the
from me.
road, wrong side of the road.
Look
in
what
the
you're
middle
doing.
of the
You're
road
holding
is a
up the traffic.
pedestrian.
Yeah, it's
Okay?
allowed.
That's what you're doing.
It's called the public highway. People are allowed to walk on it.
Yeah, but you're not allowed to stand in front of cars and in the middle of the road.
Go into your car and go back.
No, I'm not going in.
Well, I'm not. I'm not going in.
What are you going to do?
Keep your distance from
what
me.
Are you going to? I am keeping my arm distance.
Good.
Yeah?
Just keep your distance from me.
I am keeping my arm distance.
You're going to
What
leave
is
your
wrong
car
with
there and block everyone, are you?
Yeah, whatever. It's illegal as well. Is it?
It is actually.
Is it?
You're now
Okay,
obstructing
then what?
traffic.
Really? Oh, really? Really?
You want to try and search a camera? I wouldn't.
No, I don't. I really don't. I couldn't give a damn about you. You're a horrible man. Horrible man. Absolutely horrible man.
It's not common you get such aggression.
I just turned my engine on, okay? I was stationary.
You were still driving, madam.
Driving anywhere.
Carry on. You were still driving, madam.
I was not driving.
In the law, you were driving.
No, I don't think so.
Well, that's for you to argue with the magistrates, not to argue with me.
You're a horrible, horrible man. Shame on you. Really, shame on you.
Yeah, I'm not the one committing a traffic offence, madam. It's you the one who needs to feel shame for your behaviour. Amazingly, that most of the drivers recognise that there was probably no great advantage to passing her.
Why were you filming?
She was on her phone. I'm that dude. You know this one?
Oh,
She went ballistic, huh? Her choice to...
you're not going to give her a break.
The thing is, right, someone like her with that aggression will never stop driving on the phone. Not until prosecution. I don't even let the nice ones off, because even a nice... You got kids? Can you imagine? Even a nice person on the phone could run down one of your kids.
It's
Anyway, I
You're both doing it's hard. Just
it is hard. It's not nice for her, but it's very good for society.
I know you're doing well. You're doing a good thing.
Look up someone called Hope Fennell. She was run over by a lorry driver who'd been texting in the
I
queue.
don't want to say anything that's, but let's just all be kind to each other. I know
Yeah.
you've got a point, she's got a point probably. You can't say
Yeah, I don't hate her, you know, even after that bad behavior. I still don't hate her. I just hate the behavior of being on the phone. That's all it is.
No, I understand. You've got a good point. Hopefully you have a point. Just find common ground. It's tough.
The common ground is for her not to be on the phone, right?
I'm not getting.
I'm not going to complain about her shouting at me, you know. We're all human. We can all get a bit angry. That's why I'm calm and not angry.
Rush hour, it creates.
Yeah.
You go into a different mode.
It's a horrible area, this, I agree. Anyway, I wish you a good Christmas.
Oh, okay, you too, my friend. Same way.
And not too much time in the traffic, hopefully. Not even me. So yeah, like we're going to ignore her and not have anything to do with her. I wonder if we can get across here and not have to interact with her. That would be my wish. You're right. Yeah, she was driving on the phone, that's why. And then when I called her, she was shouting at me. Have a nice Christmas.